Good morning, children. Let us start our online class for UKG students. First, we do the prayer, children. Afterwards, we start the class. Okay? Now, take a prayer position. First, join your hands, children, and close your eyes. You also repeat after me this prayer. Are you ready, children? Okay, now start the prayer. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Satyadharma Rathaya Cha Bhajata Kalparukshaya Namata Kamadhenave. Once again, I repeat this sloka, children. You also repeat after me. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Satyadharma Rathaya Cha Bhajata Kalparukshaya Namata Kamadhenave. Okay, children. Now slowly open your eyes, leave your hands. You also do this prayer in your home, children. Are you do? Okay, I hope. Now let us start the class, children. Today we are going to learn about Hindi Varnamala. Okay, children. Today we will learn Hindi Varnamala. Okay, children. In the last previous class, what you have learned and written, children. In the previous class, I was gave homework for you in English. You learned about vowels and consonants. Is the children? Are you learned and written homework, children? Okay, I hope you all are written. Now today we are going to learn about Hindi Varnamala. Okay, you already learned. Is the children some Varnamala you already learned. So once again remember these letters. Afterward we will continue in the next letters. Okay. Now let us see first letter. This is first letter of Hindi Varnamala. What we call this letter? How to pronounce, children? A. In Kannada Varnamala, how to say A, Amma, A, Arasa, like no. So this is letter also we say A. In this letter also we say A. A, Ajgar, Cobra or Python. A, Anar, Pomegranate. A, Adarak, Ginger. A, Akarot, Arkanut. And next after what we come, children? Ari, Garagas, Aloo, Potato, Aag, Fire, Mango. So next after what will come, children? Imali, Tamarind, Isari, Iron Box, Injured. Okay, are you listening, children? You also repeat after me. And next after what will come, children? Eat, breeze. Eek, sugarcane. Ish, Lord. Eid, festival. And next, O. After what will come? O. Upahar, gift. Ungali, finger. Ullu, all. Ustara, cutter. And next, after oat, camel. Udbilav, mongoose. Ulan. And next upper means up. Next after what will come, children? Rutu, season. Rushi, sage. Rushab, bull. Runa. And next after what will come, children? Egg, one. X-ray. Ekatara. And next after Iravat, elephant. Spectacles, ambulance. And next after what will come, children? O. After O. So here listen carefully, children. In Kannada Varnamala we having a, I, U, Ru. A, I, O, Amma. Okay, no? So in Hindi Varnamala we not having A not having here and O not having here. We having only here one A and after I and one O after OW. That's all only we are having in Hindi Varnamala. Understood, children? So that's why you tell how to tell, children? A, I, Ru. A after, don't say A not here in Hindi Varnamala, children. You say A after I after O after not say OW. That is in Kannada Varnamala only. In Hindi Varnamala we having only one O after it say Ow. You must say O after ow. Understood children? So this is letter of O. O. Leaves. O. Odani. Duppata. O. Okali. Mortar. O. O's. Deep. Drops. And next ow. O after what will come children? Ow. I already said that now children. Don't say O after O. O not here. We are having in Hindi Varnamala only O after ow. Ow. Aulad. औजार tools औरत woman औषधि medicine. And next अंजीर अंगूर grapes अंगूठी ring अंडा egg aha. Okay children. And next we are completed swarakshar. Next let's go to vyanjanakshar. Okay, what we call in Hindi, kakagana chachana tatadana tatadana pa pa ba ba. From ka to kshatragnya we call it vyanjanakshar. Okay, a to amaha we call it swarakshar. How to say in Kannada? Swaragalu, vyanjanagalu like no. So in Hindi also we say swarakshar, vyanjanakshar. Okay, let us see children. This is k, first letter of in vyanjanakshar. K. What we call this letter children? You know already. Learned and written na children. Now see k, kabutar, pigeon, ka, car, ka, kamal, lotus, ka, kachua, tortoise. And next khajana, ka, karbuja, muskmelon, ka, kargosh, rabbit, ka, katamal. Next ka after what will come children? Guy, cow, Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, Gamala, flower pot, Gajar, carrot. And next girl, house. What we call in English for girl? House, Gadiya, crocodile, Gada, pot, Gadi, watch, near, near. And next, let's go to next letter. Children, what will come after what will comes? Jarjanya. Yes, no? Now let us see. Chakra, wheel, chamach, spoon, charak, spinning wheel, chatai, mat. And next, let's go to next second chalani, chadi, stick, chatari, umbrella. And we call another word also chata, umbrella. Chanani, filter. And next jadugar, magician, jahaj, ship, jute, pair shoes. Joker. And next second jula, swing, janda, flag, jadi, jadu, broomstick, nya, jajanya. Okay. And next let's go to next dana. Let us see children. Tub. What is this letter? Tamatam or skirt. Topi, hat. Tomato. And next second tud, thief, tatera or tatela, pushcart, tatera, blacksmith. Thappa, stand. And next dakia, postman, damalu, doctor, dalda. And next second dafali, door, dakkan, lid, dal, dana. Okay children, it's enough today. Oral. You also learn this oral. I'll send to you. PDF children because you not having Hindi textbook now. So that's why I am sending these pages. You also see there and learn these alphabets means Hindi Varnamala oral. Okay children. Now let us start writing children. In the last class what you had written in Hindi children? Chacha Jajanya. Yes, no? Okay. Today let us continuation next letter children. Today we are going to learn about next letter. Chacha Jajanya. After what will come children? Ta. Da. Okay na? First we are going to learn ta. This is first letter of ta. First ta. Ta. Tomato. Tomato. What children? Ta. Tomato. Tomato. Okay. Now let us see children how to follow the line and write. Let us see. First you write a standing line and write like this left curve. This is letter of ta. Ta. Tomato. Write like this. You see my hand movement children? First you write standing line, put left curve. You join the standing line, put left curve, and upper side you draw there one sleeping line. This is letter of ta. Tomato. So the full of page you have to write like this letter children. Ta. Tomato. Tomato. Like ta. Tomato. Tomato. Okay children, you also write like this. Ta. Tomato. Ta. Tomato. When you write this letter, this letter you have to say and write like ta. Tomato. Tomato. Ta. Tomato. Like. Okay. Next, to take a new page, come to the this side page children. Write the second ta. That is first ta and this is second ta. How to write second ta children? Write like this. First you put on standing line and write join the standing line, put left curve, join the left curve and put one more right curve, and upper side you draw there one sleeping line. This is letter of second ta. Ta. Tailor. Ta. Tailor. Tailor means push cart. Tailor means what children? Push cart. Okay, let us see. First you write one standing line, put left curve, and when you write like that, first put ta children, this is also like same, and here one small changes, but put you write one more right curve. Like this. This is letter of second ta. Right, first standing line, put left curve, join the left curve and write one more right curve. This is second ta. Ta. Tailor, push cart, or ta. Tatera. Blacksmith. Understood children? First you put standing line, left curve, join the left curve and right curve. Upper side you draw there one sleeping line. This is letter of second ta. This is first ta and that is second ta. Ta. Tomato. Ta. Tailor, push cart. Understood children? I hope you all are understood. You also write like this. This is homework for you children. You also write it in the classwork. Okay. Next I will observe children. Next we are going to learn about next math subject. What children? Now we are going to learn about maths. Now open your maths class children. In the last class what you had learned children? In the last class you learned about ascending order. Yes no children? Okay. Today we will learn about descending order. What children? Descending order. You know children, ascending order means when we arrange the number from smallest to greatest number, that That is called ascending order. For example, 1, 2, like 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Here see children, we arrange the numbers in smallest to greatest number, because here 1 is smallest number, at last 10 is biggest number. Okay now? So we arrange here smallest to greatest number, that is called ascending order. So in descending order means when we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, means big number to small number. That is called descending order. For example, I will show here 1, 10. They given like this here 10, 12, 13, 20, 6. Okay, this is for example for children. You just listen carefully, don't write. Okay. They given here 10, 12, 13, 26. So we arrange the numbers in descending order. Ascending order means first you take number 6, small number, after you write 10, after 12, 13, at last you write 20. Okay, that is ascending order. Means when we arrange the number from smallest to greatest, that is called ascending order. Now we will go to learn about descending order. Now, so how to arrange the numbers in descending order? This is example for you. Let us see children. Descending order means when we arrange the numbers from big number to smallest number. So here which one is big number? See the number children, 10, 12 or 13, 20 or 6. Which one is big number? 20. Yes, no children? So first you write 20. Okay. You just imagine children, they given like this 10, 12, 13, 26. This is for example. Okay, no? So you arrange the numbers in descending order in this number. Okay, how to arrange? Let us see. First you take big number first, because this is descending order. Yes, no? So that's why you take first big number first. So here in the all numbers we having only big number 20. Okay. So next 20 after a little bit big number, which one? 13. Okay, so right next 13. And next that after which one is small little bit big number? 12. By 12. And next more, which one? You already written 20 already written, 13 already written, 12 already written. And next we have remaining 10. So which one is 10 and 6? So we have remaining yes now. So your 10 and 6 in between, which one is little bit big number? 10. So you take number of 10, and then next we have only remaining this is small number 6. Understood now children? Yes, see, 20 is a big number, 6 is a small number. Understood children? So when we arrange the numbers from big number to small number, that is called descending order. Yes, now? Understood children? When we arrange the numbers from big number to small number, that is called descending order. Be carefully, listen children. When we arrange the numbers from biggest to small number, big number to small number, that is called descending order. Don't make confused children, ascending order and descending order. But that ascending order we arrange the small number to big number. Okay now? That is called ascending order. This is descending order means first you take big number, after take little bit of big number, after take little bit it is called oblique karnali. At last you write small number. This is called descending order. Understood children? Okay, next let us see more example for in descending order. Okay? So you also write this heading children. Take a new page in maths class work, you write there descending order. Now let us see. Write this heading children first. Put the heading descending order and make underline that. And write arrange the following numbers. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Numbers in descending order. is first one for you. Write first 79. You write this number in one box. After come to the next box, write there 41. Write next box, write 55, 13, 12, 68. Okay, children? They are given here 6 numbers. Okay, now they are given here 6 numbers. So we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. How to arrange? Let us see, children. First, you draw one insect. Picture of insect like this. Like you also draw like this, children. So you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. You have to write inside of the picture. Okay, now. So first, you find out the number of big number, because I already told the children we arrange the numbers from big number to small number, that is called descending order. So that's why you take first big number. Let us see, children. So you see which one is big number here? 79, 41, 55, 13, 12 or 68. Which one is big number? First you take big number. Which one, children? 79. Okay, now first you take this number, write in the first circle, first inside of the picture. Right inside the picture, children. First you take big number. 79 is big number. Next, afterwards, little bit big number. Which one, children? 68. Write the next. Write this number 68. And next, which one is little bit big number? 55. And next, which one? 41. And next, little bit big number? 30. Little bit small number? 12. Understand now, children? First you write big number, take 79. After 68, 55, 41, 30. At last you write small number, very smallest number, 12. Like this. Understand, children? You also write like this. This is called descending order. And next, second example for you, children. Write first 25, 18, 65, 85, 60, 8, 97. Okay. First you draw the picture, children, because we have to write the numbers means descending order numbers inside the pictures. Yes, no? Right, children? So now you say, children, how to arrange the numbers in descending order. So which one you take first? Big or small number? Big number, because this is descending order, children. So first you take big number. So let us see, children, here which one is big number? 25 or 18, 85 or 60, 8 or 97. Yes, 97 is big number. So that's why you take first, write 9, 7, 97. Understood? And next, which one is 97 after small number? 85. So you take 85 and write in the picture. And next, which one is 85 after small number? 60, 60. Write like this. They given their number also. You have to find out the numbers and arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, no? And next, which one, children? 25. 25, 25. Next, that after 25 after which one is smallest number? 18. Right? 18. And next, that after which one is very smallest number here? We already written 97. 85 also we written. 25 also written. 60 also written. 18 also written. So we have only one number, that is 8. That is a very smallest number. Yes, children. Here 97 is a very biggest number and 8 is a very smallest number. When we arrange the numbers in biggest to smallest number, that is called descending order. Okay, children? Okay. Next, let's go to next example for you. Okay, children. Next, let us see the third example for you. Write down, children. First, write 2 3 23 6 5 65 3 8 38 and 6 2 62 7 9 79 and 2 6 26. Okay, now we will arrange the numbers in descending order. There will be some numbers, children. You have to make arrange these numbers in descending order. They are given here one picture also, children. You have to write in there. Okay. So now first which number you take first, children, in descending order? Big number. Yes, no? So which one is big number here? 23 or 65, 38, 62, 79 or 26. So now find out the number, children. Which one is big number? So here 79 is a very biggest number. So first you take big number, write in the picture. Inside of the picture write first big number of 79. Okay. And next after 79 after which one is smallest number? 65. Okay. Now find out the number and write here 65. And write next 65 after which one is smallest number? 65. After smallest 62. And write next which one is 62 after which one is very smallest? Small, little bit smallest number? 38. And next 38 after which one is smallest number? 26. Yes, no? Write here this. And next that one after, and which one is very last smallest number means 23. Here see, children. First you take big number of 79, after that is 79 after smallest number 65, 65 after smallest number 62, 62 after smallest number 38, 38 after smallest number 26, at last very smallest number is 23. Okay, children? So here see, first one we take first number of big number, at last we arrange here very smallest number. So 79 after 65 is very small, little bit smallest, and 65 after 62 little bit smallest, and 38 after little bit smallest, after 38 26 is very smallest, after 26 after 23 is very smallest number. Okay, when we arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest to smallest. So first you take big number, that is next to little bit small number, like that, very smallest number. That comes arrange. Okay, and next go to next fourth one, children. Write 100, 9, 33. Sorry, children. 41, 96, 50. Okay, now you arrange the numbers in descending order. How to arrange these, children? Now let us see. First you take big number because this is descending order, children. Okay, so now first you take big number. Which one is big number here? First you take, right? They given number also and they given empty spaces also. But to make arrange the numbers in writing picture inside of the picture. First you take big number 100. So here these are all numbers. Find out the big number. First of all, big number which one, children? 100 is very biggest number. So take first 100. Okay. That after which one is smallest number? 100 after? Well, so little bit smallest. 96. That 96 after? 41. And next you take little bit smallest number 33. At last 50. Okay, you see, we already written 100, 96 written, 41 written, 33 written, 15 also written. So we have remaining only one, that is number of 9. This is very smallest number. Here see, children, here 100 is biggest number and 9 is very smallest number. Here we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Means big number to small number. Okay. Stepwise we arrange the numbers here. Like 100 is big number, that after 96 smallest number. Very not simple. Little bit smallest, 41 smallest, 41 after 33 smallest, 33 after 15 smallest, 15 letter name is very smallest number. Here we are at big number to small number. This is called descending order. Understood children? I hope you all are understood. In this one you have to write in maths classwork. Okay? You must write in maths classwork. Are you right children? Okay, I hope you all are understood and right. Okay, you must complete the classwork children. Don't keep pending. Okay, no, you must complete the classwork and also I was gave Hindi also, no. So you also write like Hindi, Varnamala letters also and also learn Hindi oral. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class and also we will give classwork for corrections. Come to school.